honey. Trying to find Jamba Juice. I'm super lost, y'all.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you.
So I'm downtown with Frank. We are riding down on the bike. I'm gonna take you guys with us so you can see some cool footage of Houston downtown area. So I'm at a hotel actually, and I'm about to walk out to meet him on the bike. So catch y'all in a second. Boom. You're on YouTube.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Got my hand high, could you see the eye? And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new and he paid me too. Things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky.
So we are headed into Kingston. Hopefully you can hear me because I'm walking outside talking on the phone. But Kingston.
Have you been here before?
Contact greener. Yeah. You out of touch.
Huh?
You out of touch.
Are you salty?
To the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good even in my life for the Adonai. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Crush these things by the final through to my soul, so the star has me.
Hey y'all, so I'm on my phone. I'm coming. I just got to her apartment, so I'm hyped. I'm tired, but we made it. There was so much traffic. We made it. Thank you. No mango, right? leaving the mall. I found a couple things from Forever. I haven't shopped at Forever 21 in forever because I ain't 21. So sometimes I don't think that I want to buy their clothes because of the quality. But I found a couple things that are on sale that sustainable enough. And so I'm headed home. So phone's going off. So it's 10:32 in the morning on a Monday. Sorry for this lighting. I'm about to go downstairs and get the kids something for breakfast. They just woke up, so this is why we're eating, or they're eating so late. I already had coffee. Gonna drink some more water. Gonna find maybe something to eat. I usually don't eat breakfast, so I don't know if I will, but I will. And then I'm gonna be getting started on some work that I have to do. Mainly client work, but then I have some things that I'm also doing. It's coming up this month that I have to pretty much get done. And so I'm gonna be taking you with me to do these things. Yeah. Checking my plant. I always come outside and I put my feet on the ground. I know that might sound weird, but I like to put my feet on the ground in the morning. So I know this has been a long video in the making as far as like showing my house on the inside, but we're still decorating. Like there's nothing on the walls. It's like my habit of never putting things on the wall. Welcome to the crib. So head back upstairs to do some work. I have to write some scripts for some videos that I'm working on, and then I have to work on some projects for a client. Sorry for the lighting. Let's get it though. See that? That's so pretty. It's absolutely stunning. You see it has the little bronzer brush in there. So pretty. Love the packaging, love the color. Kind of hard to get out initially, but I guess we'll work through that. This is, but thank you Gucci for the beautiful, beautiful bronzer. I'm gonna be trying it out to see how I like it. And I'm glad that they actually sent me my color because that works even better for me. Love the packaging, love the gold and the turquoise together. That's really pretty. So I also received a tangle teaser that I haven't really shown yet, but it's the tangle teaser. This is a plant-based detangling brush with less breakage for smooth and healthy looking hair. It's from straight to curly. And yeah, it's really cute. Loving it. Haven't used it yet, but we'll definitely use it. Thank you Tangle Teaser for sending me a brush.
Which? I'm all well.